When you wake up in the morning, you have ample creative opportunity. Whether you're a night owl or morning person, it's all really the same thing. And you have these two parts of the day where you're going to be most efficient. You're going to be most efficient in the morning, most efficient at the night, creative-wise. So you get into those modes, and then there's kind of a black hole that happens in the middle of the day. And that black hole is best for administrative work. It's the loudest and the brightest time of day. You're just not going to get that flow state that you want. So you can work in the morning, you can work at night. I do a little both now having a kid. So I have to try to get those hours in when I can. And I see guys killing themselves trying to do 12-hour plus studio days. And it took me a long time to realize that you're really maxing out your creativity past maybe 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours. After that, you might even be working backwards on your mix and undoing work. So I'm always numbering my sessions and making sure it's all saved, but it's really crucial. If you fight against this phenomenon, if you fight against the circadian rhythm of how your body works relative to the light of the day, even if you have a studio with no windows like I do, I have no natural light in here, your internal clock is sending you these cues and you're just not going to get into that deep of a flow state. It's going to work against you. It's like fighting against gravity. So I just use that as an advantage.